What if buying a product felt less like guessing and more like experiencing? With 3Divx, your customers don't just see products, they explore them in detail. Explore each component and experience every angle in full 360 degrees. Step into Teardown Mode to examine each component in detail. Need just one part? Precision component ordering makes it simple, no need to replace the whole product. Want to customize? Choose the colors, choose the materials, add or remove components. Every change updates instantly in realistic 3D. And with immersive VR mode, customers can see how it fits into their real world before they click buy. Have product-related questions. Hyper-intelligent AI answers instantly. After purchase, interactive 3D assembly guides walk customers through every step with real-time AI support if they get stuck. No confusion, no frustration, and for your business, no disruption, no complexity. Reduced support call, operational gains. 3Divx can run as a powerful standalone 3D commerce platform or integrate seamlessly into your existing e-commerce system for a frictionless buying experience. You stay in control through a simple admin panel, managing models, components, and product details with ease. Let your customers see it, shape it, build it, transform the way you sell.